Hello everyone, it's Christina from Bible Journal Crafts and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share with you guys my reading plan. So I have a reading plan to read the Bible in 1 year, and today, Thursday, January 18, I'm finishing the book of Genesis. Of course I'm reading Psalms, Proverbs and Matthew. So today I wanted to journal a little bit about Genesis. And here you can see also my Bible tabs. I'm probably going to be giving these as free printables in another video. I think they're so easy to flip around. These are mini tabs actually, and they're easy to flip around and they're easy to see which book you want and find it. So today I'm giving free this printable that says, "In the beginning God created." And I am going to journal this verse. "In the beginning God created heaven and earth." Is the very first verse of the book and the very first verse of the Bible. And it really contains a lot of meaning. It's actually saying to us that the Lord is the maker of everything. Just like the Creed prayer says, "I believe in one God, the Father Almighty, maker of heaven and earth, and all things visible and invisible." You can see here that in my printable, you can see the sun, the moon, stars, clouds. You can see here that I have them in two sizes, one bigger and the other one a little bit smaller. You can use the other one in your faith planner, or if you want to trace it in smaller areas. So here I'm starting. I'm prepping my page with some gesso. And right now I'm going to cut the printable. I'm going to stick the printable in the back of the page with some washi tape so that I can see it through, because it's kind of visible right now and I can see it through. And I will watercolor. So I want to make this galaxy nebula art. So you have to start by using the light colors and then go to the darker colors. So here I made a mistake. I used the purple one and then the yellow. I should have made this. From my mistakes you can learn, definitely you can learn. So I want to make it a little bit more pigmented, so after I dry it out, I am going over again with some colors. I'm also using some black. Okay, so now my camera went off and you didn't see, you guys, how I watercolored the pencil over there and how I made these splatter things with white. But right now I'm doing the same thing with the gold ones. I'm doing the splatter thing with the gold paints. I'm going over the pencil with the gold watercolors. Okay, so right now I'm going to see how to trace the words, the letters, just to be on the shape of my nebula. And I'm just, you can see me moving around the printable just to put it in place. And I'm using here gel pen. These are some viscose gel pens that I bought recently. And here you can see my very first Bible journaling that I'm still using sometimes. You can see it's all chunky, full of entries. And in the back, I wanted to show you guys that I've done the same thing in the last page of my Bible. I've done the nebula, sky, galaxy art in my last page over here. And I've done this with the same way. So you can just figure out where you want your white parts to be, where your black parts to be. And this is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have fun with the printable. And if you want, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like that and for more free printables. Thank you for watching. Bye!